Learn how to draw a perfect cube in 3-point perspective in 1 minute. Draw a triangle. Each corner of the triangle is a vanishing point. Draw a square with a diagonal line through the corners of the square. Line the square up against any side of the triangle. Then make sure the square's edge passes through the opposite corner of the triangle. Draw a line along the edge of the square from one side of the triangle to the opposite corner of the triangle. Do the same thing for the other two sides. All 3 lines should cross at the same point inside the triangle. This point is called the center of vision. Put the corner of the square on one of these lines and make sure the sides pass through the opposite 2 vanishing points. Where the diagonal crosses the triangle edge is a 45-degree diagonal vanishing point. Do the same thing for the other 2 sides of the triangle to get the other 2 diagonal vanishing points. Next, draw one edge of the cube. Draw lines connecting the ends to the vanishing points. Draw a line from a diagonal vanishing point to one end. Where these 2 lines cross is one corner of our cube. Connect the lines. Do the same thing with another diagonal vanishing point. Where these lines cross is another corner of the cube. Complete the cube and bam! You've just drawn a perfect cube in 3-point perspective. That's it, that's all. This is John Lee. Please click like and subscribe and I'll see you next time.